Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel JK Auto 586. Today, we're diving into the details of the Kawasaki Ninja 650, a bike that's been making waves in the middleweight sport bike segment. Whether you're a seasoned rider or looking for your first sporty two-wheeler, this one's worth a close look. Let's see what makes it tick. Cut to a close-up of the bike's design. Right off the bat, the Ninja 650 is a stunner. Kawasaki has nailed the aggressive and aerodynamic styling. The sharp twin LED headlamps, the chiseled fairings, and the muscular fuel tank give it a bold presence. The ergonomic design strikes a balance between sporty and practical, making it great for both daily commutes and weekend rides. Cut to the host highlighting the engine. Now let's talk about performance. The Ninja 650 is powered by a 649cc parallel twin engine, liquid-cooled, and tuned for both efficiency and punch. It delivers 67 horsepower at 8,000 rpm and 64 Nm of torque at 6,700 rpm. What's impressive is how smooth and responsive the throttle feels, even at lower RPMs. It's ideal for urban riding but doesn't hold back when you want to push it on the open roads. Cut to riding shots, showing different terrains. The 6-speed gearbox is precise and works seamlessly with the assist and slipper clutch. This feature not only makes downshifting smoother but also reduces the effort needed to operate the clutch, especially in stop-and-go traffic. Back to host discussing handling. Handling is another area where the Ninja 650 shines. The trellis frame is lightweight yet rigid, providing excellent stability in corners. The 41mm telescopic front fork and preload adjustable rear monoshock ensure a comfortable ride while maintaining a sporty feel. The bike's 15-liter fuel tank is perfectly sculpted, giving you great grip with your knees. Close-up of brakes and tires. Stopping power comes from dual 300mm front pedal discs and a single 220mm rear disc, paired with dual-channel ABS as standard. The feedback is confident and reassuring, even at higher speeds. The Dunlop SportMax Road Sport 2 tires provide exceptional grip, whether you're cornering aggressively or cruising down the highway. Host discussing tech and features. Tech-wise, Kawasaki has kept things simple yet effective. The